Hello, IB2. Good to see everybody today. I can't believe we've almost made it to the end of the year. Here we are at the end of May practically, and man, I can't believe it's been a crazy year with all this stuff going on. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be doing our test today. That's going to be the IB Physics SL2 test. Now, the purpose of these tests right here is not to be a big gotcha moment or anything. It's really to have you understand where do you exit this course? How are you doing? And that's really what I'm trying to get. So as you go through this exam today, it's possible you could find this exam on the internet and you could cheat on it. You could ask your friends and stuff like that. It's only going to be worth 10 points. It's not a big deal as far as the score goes. It's really about this predictive how did you do in the course? And you can leave knowing how that is. So put your best effort in on this. It's really for you. Okay, so as we jump into things today, I want to start by just pointing out that we have our astrophysics option topic D from last class. I went ahead and put the work here for you from last class so we can just kind of jump through here. But there's the test. There are the answers to those questions that were on the test. Go ahead and just review those before you start the paper two, today. That section right there will be on paper 3 next class. Next thing we're going to look at is the actual IB Physics SL2 test. So it's got 2 parts to it here. Generally, you're going to want to go ahead and get your work. You're going to complete that work in your journal. And then you're going to take pictures of that work and you're going to attach the pictures. And this is really just a release item test from a previous year for IBSL. So take a look at the paper here. So just kind of going through it, it's just got a series of questions. And this is exactly how students would have got this in the past. It looks just like this. This is basically in a test that people got. And so I want you to go ahead and take that test, and let's take it in the appropriate time also. It's 1 hour and 15 minutes. And this test actually counts more than the other 2 tests. So when I put all those grades together and come up with a single score for you and tell you what your score was at the end, this is actually based on 50 marks. The last test was based on 30. The next one's based on 35. So just give you a little feel for where that all works right there. So you want to be very legible, and you do your work in your journal here. So give it a title, each question and sub question. You want to put all those things in there, make it really clear, take a nice clear picture, and then go ahead and attach that clear picture right over here. And then I'm going to go ahead and work on grading it for you and get that score back to you. So make sure you get that done. It's going to be done by today. So I want to have you guys finish this thing up no later than 5:30. If the test be out there, I'm going to unpost it at that point, because that means it started by at least 4, leave you a little time to get it all done right there, and then we'll be good. Next class, we're going to do paper 3. Paper 3 is a little bit shorter than this one, and hopefully I'll have the score by that next period so you can kind of see what you did on this one here too. So good luck, everybody. Have a great day. I will see you later.